Fancy a ready meal after that tiring day? I'll run you through a quick-to-prepare frozen pizza meal with minimal preparation in less than 20 minutes, from unpacking to the dinner table. I've chosen my favorite thin crust Philly cheesesteak pizza, and with detailed instructions at the back, that helped a ton. First off, I tore off the packaging and ensured I got the plastic wrap and bottom cardboard off this piece of deliciousness. I then preheated my oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. During preheat, I utilized that time to set my pizza on an oven tray. After the preheat beeped from the oven, it was time to get this pizza through the oven door and wait for those 15 agonizing minutes until dinner. I did leave it in for an extra couple of minutes as I wanted the cheese to be a nice golden brown. It was time to take it out of the oven, and there you have it. Delicious Philly steak pizza in exactly 20 minutes flat. If you'd like to check out an extended version of this video where I review this brand of frozen pizza, head over to my other YouTube channel, SCD8181.